Okay, I just want to do a quick demo of how this Cowork with other streamer features work. It's basically an extension of a feature I already made, which is having video sessions with viewers or whoever wants to join. The main reason for that is that I used to do something called FocusMate, and FocusMate, you just get paired up with one random person. So I have like 2,300 sessions here. So I've been paired up with randoms to focus for a long time, and I like that vibe. It's like how it generally works. You can see the video with video sessions, but you just kind of check in a couple of minutes before the session starts and just share what you are going to be working on. And then you mute and focus on camera. And then at the end, you check in on how you did. Trying to expand this into some kind of streamer collaboration setup. How this works generally, I'll show the kind of exact steps here a bit later, but you have to create an account because it's kind of built into my earlyowl.com universe. The book video slot thing, I think that should work. I don't generally pre-book my sessions right now, so it's not like a big feature, but it should be there. But generally, you can just kind of drop in. I guess that is worth mentioning the hours that I normally stream. Like normally, my core sessions will be at 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central European time, and then I would start kind of the preamble before that session 20 minutes before. So like 8:40 or 10:40 or whatever, you can like add tasks, etc. like during the break, and you can sign up for the video streaming at that point, and then you can just drop in and join one of the sessions as they are about to start. So that is that. You create an account, you add your tasks at least 5 minutes before your slot, and then you join the video call. I'll show this in action a bit later. And then there is some kind of extra, I guess, reasons or whatever for why a streamer might want to do this. I think the main reason for me and for other people as well is the extra accountability. Like I do a stream now and I feel accountable to the stream and accountable to be focused. But I do think having another person where you're actually saying out your goals and both being on camera does help the accountability a little bit as well. But then there is some kind of additional benefits for a stream. Like presumably we're both focus with me streamers, so there might be some like beneficial audience bleed through. But then also the way this would work is that we're using kind of the knock knock feature. I will say at the point of recording this video, I have never tried this feature, so I don't know how it actually works, but I assume it works about as I think, where basically you can go to any stream on Twitch and you can see some people are doing it here. Like for example, this group, you can see they have 61 viewers, but actually it's basically their viewer count combined. So this can kind of help a little bit with discoverability. And how I assume this works is basically that you just click knock knock and then I get some kind of notification and I just accept it. And then we're kind of in this collaboration thing. So we'd be doing this kind of thing when I'm actually on stream focusing with someone else. And a big part of the kind of motivation for setting this up is just giving like a very streamlined way where any other streamer can just do this at pretty much any time. I'm limiting it to, for now, 1 session per day for people, just because I like to have variety on the people I focus with. Going through the OBS integration setup here, how this works is you just take this URL and then you just go into OBS and you just add it as like a browser source here. You can see I've done here early alpha host camera and then just put in the URL. When I'm not on stream or not in the video call, there's just going to be some kind of dummy image here that lets you size it. And then the one thing you want to do here is control audio via OBS, because that makes it so that my audio comes through here. And so then you're set up on OBS. I should just, you place me in whatever view you want and I can show up on stream. How I do this on my end is basically, let me see, I have my stream here. I have like a separate view here as well. Here, this is kind of view I have where you show up with your tasks and the camera shows up here. Okay, so I think that covers this streamer setup page. I will say I haven't tested this feature with any other streamer yet, but I assume basically as soon as someone starts using it, it should become pretty robust right away. I guess final setting here is that you say you're a Twitch streamer and then you can link to the Twitch channel. I think the only reason this is here is so it can show up on my stream on some kind of element. Final thing would be how this works on the earlyowl.com platform. So this is kind of your dashboard when you create an account. You have to add a task first to be allowed to join the video call. After you've added your task, there is this kind of button here which says like join the video queue, which is there before you can actually join the video call. And generally, you should try to add your tasks and join the video call queue 5 minutes before the session starts. Also note that it's not like I get a huge amount of video calls right now. So it's a good idea to let me know in Twitch chat or whatever that you're planning to join the session beforehand if you're planning on dropping by, because if not, I might miss it. So when you have the video call ready, you just click this link. It opens up this kind of thing. You should make sure to set the correct camera and this correct microphone here because you can't change it after you join the call. Then you are in the call. You can see I'm here now with myself. So this is how it would be on our end. It's just like a regular video call. And on my end, I also have access to this kind of control room where I would be basically muting both of us during the session. So you don't have to think about that. And I think that's basically it. As I think I mentioned, the hopeful goal here is that I just have like a very seamless, streamlined way for basically any co-working Twitch streamer to just drop by if they feel so inclined. Like you don't need to let me know, you don't need to prepare me, whatever. I mean, you should let me know in Twitch chat so I know, but you can just sign up and then we'll just try it out and see how it goes. Okay, but I think that's it. Thank you for watching and I'll hopefully see you around.